What's up, guys? This is HH Trader back with another trader video. It's a live session. We're sitting here on May 21st, about to get it in. The only thing on my scanner is ANVS. Very expensive stock. I'm definitely not going to trade it today. It does have a shelf registration for this year, so it's definitely not in my list of tradable stocks. It does have some news on today. The news is they've reached a positive phase, or they had positive phase 2 data to come out, but it does have that shelf registration. It has a low float, 4 million in the float, but still that shelf registration is really messing things up. And it's kind of flatlining on the morning. It was going, and then all of a sudden it just kind of flatlined there. Do I think it's going to explode up possibly on the open? Maybe, but I'll be looking for a bigger downside move than that, than the upward movement. And looks like it's already headed down to VWAP anyway. Formed a nice level of resistance here. It struggled on this level, struggled for a long time, and now it's finally fading off of it. We'll see what happens. I will be watching it, but I am not going to take trades on this. Also, yesterday I ended up over trading a little bit to get back to green. I did get back to green, but I over traded to get there. And so today, man, $652 in settled funds. Not good at all, but it's all good. I'll look for some cheaper stuff to trade. Definitely not trading this $35 stock that's going to drop through the floor. We have about 3 minutes to the bell, and then it's going to be party time. IHT popping back up there. Can it stay on the scanner? Okay, it did get 15 right there. News on the day, no news, just pumping up. Again, it's had red days all throughout. Look at this, just red day after red day. It has not broken this level of the 474, but all these red days, man, it's tried to go down multiple times, and this level right here of the 475 has held. Alright, so it's right up there to that resistance that I drew yesterday. We'll see. We just watch out of the open. First minute. This one doesn't have shelf registrations though. Make sure that. Yeah, no shelf registrations on IHT, but still could be a very choppy stock out of the open. Took it all morning just to get up here where it is. So, and then it has no news on today. Couple of red flags. Alright, we have 30 seconds until the market opens. We'll see what's up. Market is open right there. I believe it's gonna. This one's gonna explode up a little bit. 3750s should get on up there out of the open. It's gonna have a nice pullback. Yeah, have a big pullback. Let's see if it breaks that VWAP down here. IHT right there. IHT looking heavy as well. This is the first minute candle, and it's not really getting a lot of motion up. There's a little bit. Top side is a 703 right there, pulling back. Not looking good. Has a bottom here of the 671. ANVS did jump on up there. Oh wow, it went up there and faded off really quick. Jumped up there to almost 38 bucks. Faded off of that resistance line that I put in there earlier. IHT, big moves down as well. IHT, ANVS, still fading. Right. IHT, big fade. Not looking good at all. See if IHT can give a pullback above VWAP. Got a nice little descending candle there getting bought up. ANVS getting back up there. Launched up there really big this time. Very sporadic stock. I don't like it. Never gave a pullback above VWAP. There's a little bit of a pullback. Alright, let's see. Buy. Okay. He is pulling back there though. Could get a little bit off the top, possibly. But it's definitely struggling. Alright. Let's see if we can get some off the top. Over the 39.25, I'll be looking. 39.25's got a break. And like it's going to get some moves down here. 39.25 on the bid is what I want to see. $39.25, still not seeing it. Oh wow. Wow, I should have entered right there. Could have taken some profit right there. Oh well. Went without me to $40. Man, that's crazy. I wanted to see the action, but I should have taken that trade right there. I'm going to get in right there for 5 shares and see if it can continue a little bit higher. Can it get bought up? Got me out right there. Over the 65s. Want to see the 65s here. Add it right there. Looking for the push. See if it can give it to me. Nice push right there, up $1 and something. Okay, nice push there, up $2 and something. Okay, we'll see what it does out of the halt. Up $2. Very quick little trades here into a halt. If it opens lower, that's just too bad. I won't lose that much, but we'll see. Giving it $1 to play. So if it opens much higher, that would be great. Up 61%. Very small share size in it right now. IHT, let's go look at that. Faded. So ANVS is the one to watch. I can't believe I got stopped out on that first one. Oh well. Okay, how many shares can I get of it now? $244. 5 shares is it. So at 44. Yeah. So as long as it's below 49, I should be good on this one. We'll see how it does on this halt resumption. Hopefully it opens way higher and blesses me with a nice push up, and it'll just stop me out for a nice little gain. But we will see. Let me go check what kind of halt this is. The halt is a trade halt. Volatility halt. Halted at the 36.10. We're looking for a little bit of more of a push. 36.10 is the halt. I mean, not the halt, the time. So it should be opening up in 5 minutes, which would be the 41.10 is what we're looking for. $41.10. Give us a dip buy, and that would be dope. Or it can just push through the roof, whichever one it wants to do. Got about a minute left. Waiting, watching, wondering. Hopefully it doesn't break that 42 down. My stop is right under the 42. So I love to kind of let it play out. right, 41.10 is our open. Getting ready. Ten seconds. Should be got me out right there. Open lower though. I'm gonna take if it'll allow me to. Stop me out right there. That's it. Open right at the same level, so it kind of killed me right there. Okay, let's look and see if I can get in a little bit more. It may be the 43.05, 44s. Okay, looking for that 44 break. Oh, I don't have enough for that. Okay, looking for that 44 break. What? I don't even have enough for that. Oh, I'm tripping. I got 29 bucks left. Okay, yeah, I'm done. Got stopped out pretty quick on this one. Very volatile. I was looking for it to open up higher, but hey, it had that shelf registration, so I kind of knew it was going to be weak. Let's see what you're doing. 29. What's the news over here? No real news. ANVS. Still looking for it to break over that 43.50. But I cannot buy anything, so I'm not going to push my luck today. I'll end with this small red. Trying to give a pullback above VWAP for WAFU. It's got to break this 795 level. 795. Three shares up there. Not looking too good on the volatility for WAFU. This one, man, I burned through my capital, man. Trading with 600 bucks. That was insane. I was up $2 and literally got it ripped away. Got it ripped away. Got stopped out $1.07 because my stop out is $1 on these, so you know, kind of let them. Looking a little bit scary there. I think I don't think that I'll be able to make more trades on this. It opened up right about the same level. It may go higher, but I'm not trusting it. It's gonna go higher right here, looks like. Man, that was quick. Got $1.03 on that one and then got stopped out on that first trade real quick. I think I need to change that hotkey for those smaller plays, which is what I'm gonna do real quick, because I definitely could have still been in, but it is definitely too late now. Too late for me. Look at that, up to 46 bucks. Could have still been in riding that. Oh well, that's my trades for today. I'm going to go ahead and close it down. I'm not about to sit here with no money to trade. Let me see, WAFU pushing up through that 95 area, 96 area, 96. I get there. Oh, are you serious? Okay. 29, 809. Get in at the 809 if we can push. Got to get back across the 8s first. Kind of slow down right there at the 8s. $7.79, I'll have to get out. Or actually VWAP, $7.59. $7.59. I'll be out there. Looking for a continued push. If we can get it. Very small share size anyway. What can WAFU do? Can we stay above the 90s? Or will it begin to fade here? Got my out already ready to go. 7.99s. Looking like it wants to fade. $8. Okay. The low of this is the 788. So I don't want to see it back below that 788. Be out if it comes back below that level. Looking for it to push up. Getting bought up right there. It'd be so crazy if I can make all that money back right here. I'm down 82 cents. So one more explosion up, I'll be green on the day, and I'll go ahead and take off. Getting heavy right there. I think it's going to crack me. What's the VWAP is the 66. I'll get out at the 66. 66, I'll be out looking for that. Well, 75 now. 75 break. Be out at VWAP at the 75. Gotta get a pop back up for me to stay in. Bottom of this is the low of the 78, so yeah, I'm in a good spot. If it wants to stop me out, it can do that. Need to see a pop back up off that 807s. So ANVS, did it crash? Yeah, it's coming back down a little bit, but I totally missed that move right there. It's a very expensive stock. I wish I could have taken more on it, but just didn't have the room for it. As long as WAFU stays above 775, I'll continue to hold it. See if it can get some action back up to the top. Looking to get into the 80s. Okay, maybe a sporadic stock here. Can we break the 20s, 820s? Okay, coming down to stop me out. Breaks VWAP, I'm out. 75. Got to get back above the $8 for me to be interested. 803s. Can it get bought back up through this double top? 804s. Got to get over the 9. 797. Okay. 797. If we can't see 797, it's definitely going to stop me. This is the new bottom here of the 85. 85. 84. $75. I'll be out. I just leave it there for right now. A lot of selling pressure coming down, getting on VWAP. Will it get bought up? 77. It's gonna stop me. Yep, stop me right there. Alright, well, small loss on the day. I'm okay with that. Lost $2 on the little account that I was using. Man, I wish I would have had more for this one today, but I just did not have more equity. Now I'm gonna close it up for today. These are my trades. I was in kind of good, but you know, got spicy on me and I wasn't able to capitalize on those moves. But still nice moves that it showed me. 1, 2, 3, 4 buys, 5 buys, and let's see. Yep, that's it. Those are my buys. Realized gains and losses. Lost a little bit on those small shares, but that's all I had. I was trading with $600 a day. Could not do much with ANVS. Got stopped out on my first one. Got in $2 in the profit. Got stopped out here. So because it was moving dollars at a time. So, you know, playing with the bigger numbers. Wish I had the whole 1500 today. Would have gave me a little bit more leeway. But that is it. If you're on YouTube, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you are on Twitch, don't forget to follow. And if you're going to continue trading today, please be careful. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Peace.